Hey guys, today we have a quick update on our item shop. So right now we have these skins available, plus we do have X-Force. But before we go into X-Force, let's just take a look at some of these. So these are the ones that are available right now, just for a certain period of time. So we still do have 10 hours in order to buy these. We'll just go back and we're gonna take a look at other skins such as this guy, which most of you already have. So we're gonna go back, take a look at this skin as well. I know a lot of people are fans of this one right here, and there's another one that's supposed to be coming up on this end, so we're just gonna wait for it to pop up, and there it is. So this one's pretty famous and pretty cool. So let's just go back. Then we have these other emotes that we've all seen from before. There's nothing really new about them, and we always have X-Force right here, which is great. It's great that we still have X-Force here. Hopefully they keep this, so everybody who missed out on it can get it right now before it's all over. We do only have 2 more days anyways until the season's over, so that's all we got in order to get these special skins. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.